common name with that. Common name with that. And so you can have people with indecency sleep with a person in the bush, in the forest, in a classroom. The way we are not fearing God, very soon you will come and see people sleeping with people in church. Oh, it has already happened in the Netherlands. So go to Holland and you will see vacant cathedrals turned into sex museums. You will see live sex going on. Sia is here. He went to the Netherlands. He knows what I'm talking about. A dramaya bia yemunehe. Just say the drama, you know, it goes everywhere. It doesn't know boundaries. Who beat to me who knows me your hine me a suffer. Me chira wa suffer ne asore ma wo a wo mo yire nimu a obeto baabro na twa. When an office of trust is abused. So Gideon, me pesa me pa me ho achi. Na me fa masenua. Eto me kon ho. Na me degree so achi. And I just quoted Matthew chapter number 16 verse 24. Jesus said, if any man wants to come after me, let him first deny himself and take up his cross and follow me. Deny yourself. Deny yourself. Deny yourself. The lust for the flesh, the lust for the eyes, the pride of life is too much. Manake muanya Yesu umaye na ya maso ka and sit down. The Bible said in Job chapter number 4 verse 19, everybody that dwells in a house of sand, the Bible said, they shall be crushed in the moth, for their foundation is in the dust. Yeah. Obia what did that today munina so futru. Obia. There would be a card with nice painting, nice lights, and omnia dear eyanea. Eyadotia. Your kukuru adaka na will be in a bed dino.